All right, let's talk about something I know a lot of you have felt. You've poured your heart into creating this amazing product for your Etsy shop, you launch it, and then silence. If that sounds familiar, you are in the right place. We're going to break down a simple but really powerful way to get your products the spotlight they absolutely deserve.
Seriously, you did all the hard work, right? You made the thing, you took the pictures, you finally hit publish on your shop. But now you're just hearing crickets. It is such a common and frustrating feeling, believe me, but it's also a problem that we can totally fix.
So what is actually holding you back? I like to think of it as the Etsy visibility gap. It's that huge empty space between having a fantastic product and actually getting it in front of the people who want to buy it. Let's dive into what that really means. Okay, here's the deal with Etsy. It is a massive sea of beautiful things, and a simple static photo of your product, no matter how great it is, well, it's just another drop in that ocean. It shows what you're selling, sure, but it doesn't tell a story. And in a marketplace this crowded, stories are what make you memorable. Stories are what sell. And that brings us to the most important mindset shift you can make. We have to move from just selling an item to telling its story. This is how we're going to close that visibility gap and start attracting buyers who are genuinely excited about what you do. Think about it like this. A static photo is, well, it's passive. It's just sitting there. But a dynamic story, that invites people in. It shows them how your product is used, how it could be gifted, or even the cool process of how it was made. That is how you stop blending in and finally start standing out.
Okay, so you're on board, you're ready to start telling these stories, but where on earth do you begin? Let's build your basic content creation toolkit. These are the foundational pieces you've got to have in place.
First things first, and this is so important, don't try to be everywhere at once. Just pick one or two platforms where your ideal customers are actually hanging out. Maybe that's Pinterest for visual discovery or TikTok for fun short videos. Next, get your bio crystal clear. Think of it like a billboard for your shop. What do you sell? Where can they buy it? And finally, start thinking like a search engine. Use captions with long-tail keywords people are actually typing in, like boho handmade ceramic coffee mug, instead of just, cool mug.
Now for my favorite part. This is what I think is the most powerful tool in your entire kit, the transformation video. It's a simple but ridiculously effective formula for creating short-form video that will literally make people stop scrolling.
So what exactly is it? It's simple. A product transformation video just shows the journey. It could be raw materials becoming a finished piece, a blank digital template becoming a gorgeous design, or even just an idea sketched on a napkin coming to life. It's all about showing that satisfying before and after.
And the formula? It's just 4 easy steps. You start with the before, the lump of clay, the blank canvas. Then capture a few quick clips of the creation process. Follow that with a really satisfying reveal of the final product. And here's the crucial last step. Show it in action. Show someone using it, enjoying it, living with it.
Here's a perfect example of this in action for a physical product. You start with a shot of a lump of clay, you show these quick cuts of it being shaped, maybe glazed, and then you end with someone cozying up and enjoying a coffee from that finished mug. It instantly creates a story and a real connection to the craft.
And hey, this isn't just for physical stuff. If you sell digital products, you can do this too. Show a blank invitation template and then boom, a quick time lapse of it being filled out with beautiful personalized details. It immediately shows your customer the potential and how easy it is to use.
I love this one because it's just so real and relatable. You start with that creative chaos, right? A workbench just full of beads, tools, and wires. And then you reveal this intricate, stunning piece of jewelry that's somehow emerged from it all. It tells a fantastic story of artistry and skill.
So creating these videos is a huge first step. But the real magic happens when you make that content keep working for you long after you've posted it. Let's talk about how to maximize your effort. Okay, time to get strategic. Take your best performing videos and pin them to the top of your social media profiles. It's like the official trailer for your shop. On Pinterest, you got to use keyword-rich titles on your pins that link directly to your Etsy listing. People there are ready to buy. And always keep an eye on your Etsy analytics. See what's driving traffic so you can double down on what's actually working.
And never forget this, the Etsy algorithm itself loves activity. When you consistently add new listings and drive traffic from other sites, you're sending a huge signal to Etsy that your shop is relevant and active. And guess what? They'll reward you with better visibility. It's a really powerful feedback loop you can create.
So really the only question left is, what story are you going to tell first? Whether it's raw to refined, blank to beautiful, or chaos to creation, every single one of your products has a journey. It's time to start sharing it.